How to make photo collage on Android, no apps needed. This tutorial shows you how to create collages using the Gallery app on your Android device. First, open the Gallery app on your Android device. Next, tap and hold on one photo to select it. Following that, tap on other photos you want to include in your collage. Now, once you've selected multiple photos, tap the three dots at the bottom right. Moving forward, tap on Create or More options. Afterwards, select Collage from the menu options. In addition to that, the Gallery app will automatically create a collage layout with your selected photos. Once there, you can swipe left or right to choose different collage templates and layouts. Subsequently, tap on individual photos within the collage to swap or adjust their position. Moreover, you can adjust borders and spacing by tapping the settings icon. Afterwards, once you're satisfied with your collage, tap Save in the top right corner. Then your collage will be saved to your gallery. And that's it. If this photo collage guide helped you create beautiful layouts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.